Enjoying the content? Please like and subscribe to join our journey around the globe. This content is AI-generated. Airspace management. Transportation geography also involves studying air travel, analyzing airspace management, and its impact on global connectivity and travel efficiency. Maritime transportation. It focuses on shipping lanes, port cities, and the role of oceans and rivers in global trade and logistics. Traffic flow analysis. Transportation geography examines traffic flow patterns to improve efficiency and reduce bottlenecks in urban and highway networks. Multimodal transportation. The field explores the integration of various transport modes, rail, road, air, sea, to create seamless travel and logistics solutions. Sustainable mobility. It looks into promoting sustainable mobility solutions like electric vehicles, bike lanes, and pedestrian-friendly infrastructure to reduce environmental impacts.